Natasha here. Everyone keeps asking me what skin regime am I using. My skin is always glowing. Here is my morning routine. Best routine. My skin has never felt so good. It's really fresh, it's really bright, and it's really clear, which is something I always used to struggle with. Click subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want more information on skincare or makeup. I even do recipes, life hacks, all of that. What life is like running a business with 3 children, one being under 1. And let's get going. Wash your face with lukewarm water, because if it's too hot or too cold, that can irritate your skin. So lukewarm water is the best to use. Gently massage the face cleanser in circular motions to lift out all the dirt. Pat and press with a face cloth to rinse off the face wash, and then pat and press your face dry. It's really important that you don't drag the skin. Apply the serum on your ring finger, as that will put the least pressure on your eye area, so you're not dragging the skin under your eye. And finally, finish off with our beautiful day cream in a downward gentle motion, so that all the fine hairs in your face is all finished down, leaving you with very smooth skin. Okay guys, so that is it. Hold on, I need to say that again. Yeah! Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if there is anything else that you'd like to know about skincare or makeup. For more information about the products that I use today, use the link in the description box. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the future. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye!